Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Joni, and if you've been following this playlist, we are at our last tutorial. It's all about the body wave, undulations, and for those of you who are brand new to my channel, please check the playlist. Start with week 1, okay? And now let's get to it. I can't wait. This is one of my favorite movements. Well, all of them are my favorite, but the body wave, it just wakes up the beautiful spine, and it just makes you feel so nice and so good. It's all about feeling good. I'll see you inside. Now, before we start with the whole body wave undulation, we need to start working our core because the belly gets engaged with this undulation. Okay, so we're going to start doing the belly roll that we already know. So we're going to contract the top, contract the bottom, all the way down to the pelvic floor. I'm going to release the top and then the bottom. Now, if you still haven't managed to do this, it's fine. You want to make sure that you're pulling the whole wall of your belly inward and then outward. Okay? And then with time, this is something you're going to get with time and practice. You'll be able to kind of roll one part at a time, from the top all the way down to the bottom. And as you're going and contracting the top first, and then the bottom, you release the top and then release the bottom. It follows top, bottom, top, bottom. So you already have the undulation going here in the belly roll. Now adding the shoulders or the top line all the way down to the pelvic floor, which we're using the whole body now. You're going to bring the chest forward. Okay, so we're going to start going, body wave going down. So let's just bring the chest forward. So this is a very simple way. Pretend there's a door frame in front of you. You're about a foot towards the door frame, and you're going to start bringing your chest towards the door frame, and then the belly, the whole wall of your belly. Then you're going to bring your chest back where it was, and then bring your pelvis and belly back where it was from your standing position. So chest first, touching the wall, and then the belly, and then bring it back, and again. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, bring the chest back to its position, and then here. So you notice that I soften the knees a little bit when I go towards the pelvis. So I'm going forward. I'm going to go forward so my knees are a little bit soft, and then back, even softer when I come back. And forward, forward, softening the knees, back, back. Forward, forward, soften the knees, back, back. Forward, forward, bend the knees, and then roll back. Forward, forward, bend the knees, roll back. Forward, forward, back. Just want to make sure you see me. Forward, forward, back, bend the knees. Straighten the knees as you're going forward, and as you're going back, bend the knees. Forward, forward, back, back. Now if you want to engage the belly a little bit more, you're going to go forward, forward. As I'm going back, I'm pulling my belly inward, working my core. Spine kind of goes straight, and then pull, and then I release. Forward, forward, chest back, contract the belly, and then release. Forward, forward, bring it back, contract the upper abs, lower abs, soften the knees. See how when you tuck, the pelvis kind of, when you contract, the pelvis tucked in, and then you release. Relax the belly. Forward, forward, contract the belly, tuck the pelvis, and release. Forward, forward, back, pull in. Forward, forward, back, pull in. Forward, forward, back, pull in. Forward, forward, back, pull the belly in, and release. Shake it out. Okay, and then we have the reverse. The reverse is a little bit more challenging. So all I want you to focus is, just like we're doing the belly roll, let's start with the belly roll. You're going to contract your lower belly first, and then contract top. And then release the bottom, and then release the top. Contract, contract, release, release. Belly roll upward and outward. Upward and out. Now we're going to use those muscles to help you to tuck the pelvis and pull the chest in. So that's going to kind of help you with the reverse undulation. So you're going to contract the belly, soften the knees when you start this. Contract the belly, tuck the pelvis in. So it's like the muscles in your lower belly is pulling your pelvis upward. Use the core down here to pull. Okay? Pull in, and then I want you to pull the upper abs and use these muscles, the diaphragm muscles, to pull the chest in, but try not to round the shoulders too much. Just a little contraction here, and then I want you to straighten and lift the chest. Okay, and the legs go straight. Flex the knees first, contract the lower belly, pull the pelvis in, contract this, and then lift. So it's knees first, bend, contract, contract, expand, and flex, contract, contract, expand, bend, contract, contract, expand, bend, contract, contract, expand, bend, contract, contract, expand, and it's like you're scooping up and extend. And 1, 2, 3. Check it out. All right, I'm going to practice this with music. Deep breath in up. Breathe out. Let's start in the belly right away. Soften your knees. Relax your pelvis. Expand through the chest. Breathe in, relax, breathe out. Contract the top belly, lower belly. Push out, out. Roll in, out, out. Contract, contract, release. Now don't forget to soften the knees. In, out, out. Pull the belly in towards the spine and away. In, away. Pull it in, out, out. Let's add the chest. Pretend you have that door frame. Forward, forward, chest back. Pull the belly in. And 1, 2, back, 3, pull it in, 4, release, forward, forward, back, bend the knees, pull the belly in, forward, forward, back, pull the belly in, bend the knees, come back to neutral, forward, forward, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, forward, forward, back, back. Don't forget to contract, pull the belly in, and then release. We are in basic pose. Now let's add the classical pose. Bring your right heel off the floor. Now I want you to do the same thing. Chest goes forward, pelvis forward, and then chest back. Pull the belly in, forward, forward, chest back. Pull the belly in and release. Forward, forward, back, back. Chest, belly, back. Pull the belly in. Soften the knees, contract, and release. forward, back, back. Just breathe into it. Let the flow of this movement relax you, calm you. Just like beautiful wave on the ocean, on a lake. Let's repeat here. Same thing. Chest forward. Bring yourself forward. Bring your chest back to its neutral position, and then pull the belly in. Soften the knees. Make sure the standing leg, the knees bent. And forward, forward, back, back. Chest, pelvis, belly, back. Hold the belly in and release. Chest forward. Bring yourself forward. Back. Hold the belly in. Pelvis tuck and release. Forward, forward, back. Pull, pelvic tucked in and release. Forward, forward, back. Hold in, tuck, release. Forward, forward, back, tuck, release. Basic pose. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward. Now if you want to, you could bring one foot back. And forward. It kind of makes it easier. Forward and back. So as you're going forward, the weight's more on the front leg and then back leg. Or foot, foot. Front foot, back foot. Forward and back. Forward, notice when I go back, I still plie, I still bend my knees. Good. Let's do the reverse. So the reverse, I'm gonna start the music again, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, reverse. Let's start with the belly. I'm going to contract the belly, lower belly, and then the top. Release the lower, and then the top. And again, if it's the whole wall of your belly going in, that's fine. You're going to get this, I promise you. So roll up, roll out. Roll up, roll out. Roll up and out. In and release. Contract and release. We're going to add the tucks. Soften the knees first. Soften the knees. Contract the lower belly. Let the lower belly pull your pelvis upward. And then contract the upper abs, which pulls the chest. And then expand. And bend, tucked, roll up, reach up. Down, roll up. Expand. Down, tuck, contract, and expand. Notice that when I expand, I straighten my legs also. You could do this in classical pose. Bring your left leg, the heel off the floor. Make sure, go like this, you can see. You're gonna bend the knee, tuck, contract the belly, and roll up. Tuck, roll up. Tuck, contract, roll up, expand. Notice I extend the leg, the standing leg. I bend first, I tuck, and I roll up. Switch leg. Then tuck, roll up. Then tuck, roll up. Then tuck, contract, expand. Use your belly. Contract the belly and then expand, release. If your arms are getting tired, you can relax the arm. Focus on your core. Contract, expand. Awesome, you did it. Undulation was the last, and it's a little bit more, there's more technique in it. There's a little bit more, because you could alternate. So practice your body wave, your undulations. It's so nice to the spine. But don't forget, the belly has to be involved. Always work your core. All right, I'll see you next week to our last practice.